On this Honda CR-V hybrid, B1042 is a front wiper security line error. In plain terms, the body control module may be seeing a mismatch between the backup wiper signal from the windshield wiper control unit and motor and the front wiper LIN data. The driver may notice wiper operation that is abnormal or inconsistent, or there may simply be a stored body electrical code. The possible fault areas are the backup wiper circuit, its connector and wiring condition, or the windshield wiper control unit and motor itself. Start with the basic system checks, and if other codes are present, check what they mean first so you do not chase this one out of order. To begin the B1042 path, turn the vehicle to the on mode. That sets up the condition needed before moving into the circuit checks for this fault. Next, power the circuit down as required for the checks, then disconnect the windshield wiper control unit and motor 4-pin connector. After that, disconnect body control module connector A, the 66-pin connector. Before probing, make sure the connector terminal locations are positively identified. If the terminal information is not clear, pause and do not guess at terminals. Now perform the inspection in order. With IG mode off, check the backup wiper circuit between the disconnected windshield wiper control unit and motor connector and the disconnected body control module connector A. For the open wire check, the normal result is less than 1 ohms. If that result is abnormal, treat it as a circuit problem before moving on. If the open check is good, continue with the shorted circuit inspection method and check the backup wiper circuit for a short to ground, still with IG mode OFF. The normal result is more than 1 ohms. If this test is abnormal, the problem is in the circuit. If the circuit tests normal through this path, the fault points to the windshield wiper control unit and motor. Keep the verification separate from the circuit testing. Once the fault area has been corrected, verify the repair and confirm B1042 stays gone. The key on this one is to prove the backup wiper line first. Less than 1 ohms for continuity, more than 1 ohms to ground, and only then condemn the wiper control unit and motor path if the circuit is normal. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.